Pedal time, pedal time. All right, so the box itself, it has a pretty nice design. They knew, Squire knew. Number one, if you're gonna do royalties, do a lot of merch. You're gonna have a limited edition version. There's actually a Japanese Stratocaster version that is gonna be super hard to get your hands on. I think right now on River, they're about running from $4,000 to $6,000. And buying something straight from Japan, there's gonna be tax included. You have to pay like an additional fee to get it off from Japan and then bring it to the States. It's gonna be a headache. So Squire knew, it's like, we gotta do something. If we're gonna pay royalties, let's do the whole shebang. So they did a bunch of stuff, including this pedal. Look at this pedal. Even the box, I'm pretty sure collectors are gonna have the box displaying as well. We have the cat on all corners of the box. We have Fender X Hello Kitty on the top and bottom face, and then on the side faces, only the kitty on the corner. On the back, you're gonna have all your labels, your serial numbers, all the information, recycling, QR codes, you know, the jazz. And then the front portion has a drawing of the pedal itself. It's a fuzz pedal. It does have the witch hat knobs. So that's like a guitar, like a Strat knobs. You're gonna have your Fender logos on the knobs. You're gonna have fuzz in red, and then your Hello Kitty on the side. One thing about this pedal is that you have your translation in Japanese next to each button. So you have tone, and then the Japanese translation, fuzz, Japanese translation, level, Japanese translation. All right, this is the first time I'm gonna open this box. And then we greeted by a manual. Beautiful. You have your instructions. You have all the internal information about this pedal. You have a little message from Fender. A fun-loving fuzz like no other. The Fender Hello Kitty Fuzz introduces a pop of color and a charm to one of the pedal's world's most formative effects. We also have some little legs for the pedal if you want to add to it. I'm probably gonna put a Velcro in the back. We have your free lesson card right here. Let's take a look at the pedal. Are you all ready? All right. Whew, I like it. What do you think? I think it's beautiful. They're tall knobs. I like that. And they're easy to maneuver. Let me put this back in the box. So, it feels nice. It feels very light. I do have some other pedals in here. Compared to those, this one feels quite light. You have your in and out and power connections in the very top. You got your Hello Kitty logo in the bottom. That's a pretty nice accent right here. And this is the face of your pedal. That's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, this is it for the unboxing. We're gonna connect the pedal to the board, and then we're gonna do some sound testing. I gotta tune up the guitar. Now, before we fully cut, so give you a quick rundown of the specs, the pricing and all that. I did mention a few of them before, but I want to do a quick rundown of every single one so you have an idea. Here we go. Official name, Fender X Hello Kitty White Stratocaster. Official price, $499.99. The body material, Okomi, Strat shape, gloss finish. You have maple on the neck, also gloss finish, C-shaped neck, 25.5 scale length. The fingerboard is maple, 9.5 radius. You got 21 frets, they're narrow tall, so they're quite tall, they're quite comfortable. You have a synthetic bone material for the nut, red dots inlays. You have your truss rod adjustment in the very top, so you don't need to take the neck off like the vintage version of a Stratocaster. Alnico Fender design humbucker. You only have a volume knob, just a single humbucker configuration. Hardtail string through saddle bridge, and all the hardware on this guitar is chrome. You have the vintage style white buttons, tuners, single ply Hello Kitty face on that guitar, and then on this specific guitar is the white with the white volume knob. You get your Hello Kitty gig bag. All right, that was a quick rundown of all the specs. Hopefully that is helpful to you and gives you enough information about this guitar. We're gonna do some setup real quick, and then we're gonna play a little bit. Now, quick disclaimer, there is no way I'm considering myself a professional guitarist. I play guitar for fun, so don't judge me. I love guitar, and I'm really excited. So we're gonna come back and do some playing in a few seconds. Thank you guys.